Hello friends, in our last videos we learned to make function modules. We also learned to make function modules with parameters, and we are going to use those function modules to make certain programs in this video. We are going to draw a circle. So what I did, first I opened my last program which I have saved as function module, and now I am going to first do save project as. Give a name to this project as, let's say, circle. So now my program is named as circle. Now where do we see the name? For that, what we need to do is we need to go to edit and click on Arduino mode. So basically disable Arduino mode. Here we see the name of the program. So current program open is circle. Again I will go back to Arduino mode. Now we have these blocks and we are going to use these blocks to make our program. So the first command is Arduino program. So let's take that and put it here. Okay. And now we'll use our blocks. Here I don't need to set up vehicle because when I use Arduino commands automatically set up the pins which we need. And hence I don't need to use the setup vehicle or setup motors command. So I'm not using that. Now I want to draw a circle. We know to draw a circle I can use the forward command and I can have a speed difference. So one I will put 255, another I will put less speed, let's say 180 speed. And now this action needs to continue for some time. And then finally we are going to use way stop. Now my experience with my motors and my batteries show me that I need around 8 seconds to complete a circle. For you need to check this. If it is completing one circle, well and good. If not, it's short of making one circle, then we need to increase the wait time. If it is making one circle and going further ahead, then we need to reduce the time so that we can get a circle. So by using our own function modules, we have made a program for drawing a circle. You can upload that program and try it. Now let's make sine wave. For a sine wave, I start making a circle. I make a half circle and then I change the direction. So here I was turning right. Now I have to turn, because I'm looking down, I have to turn left to complete the pulse. So which means I need the same command twice for one pulse, but it should draw half a circle. So the wait time would be half. That would be 4 seconds. And this one I can repeat to get more number of pulses. So if I want 3 pulses, then I will repeat it 3 times. And then I will stop the vehicle. So now this program will make a sine wave and there will be 3 pulses of the sine wave.